Just arrived here at Chris Myers Automall in Daphne, Alabama. We have this 2011 GMC Sierra 3500 HD Denali Crew Cab pickup. Under the hood, we have the Duramax 6.6-liter V8 turbo engine and the Allison 1000 series 6-speed automatic transmission. Inside, you'll find leather seating for 5 with heated and cooled front seats, a full power moonroof, and driver lumbar support. The 6.5-inch display is preloaded with navigation and it has Bluetooth technology to keep you connected. This 2011 GMC Sierra 3500 HD Denali has less than 151,000 miles and it comes with a Carfax buyback guarantee. Call Chris Myers Automall at 251-626-2641, or you can visit us anytime on the web at www.chrismyers.com for more information and to schedule your test drive today.